If you want to add a contact to the home screen on Google Pixel 11, then first of all, you want to go to the Phone app. Next, in the Phone app, you want to open the contacts list. So you can go to View Contacts here on the right side, or tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to Contacts. Now here, choose the contact that you want to add to the home screen. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. Next, you want to scroll down and you should be able to find Add to Home Screen. So we're going to tap here. You will find this widget and you can either tap on Add to Home Screen to immediately add this widget to the home screen, or you can just press and hold your finger on that widget and then you will be redirected to the home screen and you can decide where exactly you want this widget to be located. Besides that, you can still adjust the size of the widget, so you can make it smaller if you want to. For example, it can look like that. There we go, we can make it extra small, and that is pretty much it. Now, if you have just the profile picture, then you can tap on it to open the details of the contact, but if it's like slightly bigger, then you can find also these shortcuts that allow you to, for example, call that contact, or you can send them a message. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.